welcome to Cooking with Chrissy. And we're back to make a delicious loaf of banana bread. We've preheated the oven to 350 degrees and let's get cooking. I just peeled 2 bananas, 2 pretty ripe bananas. You can get them even riper than this. I forgot some ingredients, so I started the video first, realized I needed eggs. I'm like, you know what, we'll start the video over. We'll just say, we got 2 bananas in here. Okay, we're gonna mix all of the wet ingredients first. So let's mash these bananas with this cool little masher I got from Amazon. I'll link it below in the description. We're just gonna mash, mash, mash. Actually, I have the recipe over here. Okay. 2 ripe bananas. I don't know about you, but banana bread is like one of my favorite things to eat. This is gluten-free, and this one is dairy-free. You don't have to make it dairy-free, but I'm gonna make this one dairy-free. Good mashed banana. All right, we're gonna do 2 eggs. Right, I think it's 2 eggs. 3 eggs. 3 eggs. This is a new recipe I'm trying out here, so you're seeing it firsthand. We always get our eggs from a local farmer when we can, so I highly recommend that. If you can do that, it's amazing. All right, we got our 3 eggs. Wash our hands after the eggs. Next up, we will do avocado oil. This is one of my faves. If you're looking for a good avocado oil, we are going to do 1/4 cup. Quarter cup of olive oil. Did I just say olive? I mean avocado. I'm okay today, really. We're gonna add some maple syrup for some sweetness. Even though the bananas are sweet, we're gonna add some. So let's see, how much? We'll do 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of grade A maple syrup. Okay, now we're gonna mix that. I'm just gonna use the masher to mix it all together. I feel like it's a pretty good mixer too, because you can like squash the eggs. Mix it all together. Alright, I think that's all of our, we're going to need vanilla. I forgot vanilla. Alright. Let's add some vanilla. Hold on, I need to grab it. Vanilla. Here we go. Alright, vanilla calls for 2 teaspoons. Smells so good. 2 teaspoons of vanilla, swirl that together. Next, we're going to start working on our dry ingredients, and that is going to include cassava flour, tapioca flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and Ceylon cinnamon. I like the banana bread to be like a little chunky, so leave some chunks. It's like so yummy and delicious when you bite into like a nice warm banana. Okay, cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon. Let's do 1 teaspoon. This is what Ceylon cinnamon looks like. 1 teaspoon. We'll use this one. Ceylon cinnamon, super healthy. Okay, we are going to need 2/3 of a cup of cassava flour. And I keep my cassava flour in a container, but I wanted to show you what brand I like to use, as well as the Simple Truth brand from Kroger. You can find Anthony's online. So we're gonna need 2/3 I actually need a different measuring cup. Let's find a cup of cassava flour, which is made from the yucca plant, which is a root vegetable. It's dried out in the sun and then it's crushed to make a flour, and it's the most consistent one, equal to a white flour. Then we need some tapioca flour, 1/3 cup of tapioca flour. I like Terrasol tapioca flour, if you ever get a chance to try that one. Terrasol is a really good brand. They have a lot of different flours that are really good. And you can find it on Amazon. I'll link it below for you in the description. Off to the side. All right, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. I just created this recipe, so that's why I'm reading it. Made it up real quick. I'm like, let's go bake it. Let's go make it right now. Impromptu video time. So 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to share with you my amazing salt right here. I love it. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is Redmond salt. It is absolutely delicious. So we have everything we need. Yeah, okay. Let's mix it up. And we'll also get like spatula. Alright, I'm going to use my mixer again, like my squisher, my banana masher. I'm just going to mix it all up in this bowl. Now this is optional. I'm not going to put them in this time, but you could do chocolate chips. You could do some macadamia nuts if you wanted, some dark chocolate chips. It smells so good. See how delicious that is? Banana bread. I'm actually going to bake up 2 loaves of this, and I'm going to give one away to somebody who wants one. Alright. Let's get all this yummy goodness off of here. I want that one, right? Okay. Done dripping. Let's scrape the sides of the bowls. Get everything combined. Now you have a delicious banana bread recipe. Okay. Our oven was already preheating. Now we have an 8x4 pan, loaf pan. We're going to take some parchment paper. We're going to line our pan. I just like parchment paper because when it's finished, I can just pick the parchment paper up and then put it on a plate and let it cool, and I don't have to like unstick it from the pan. So we like parchment paper. Makes for an easy cleanup too. Alright, we got our pan. Okay, we're going to take our delicious, I'll do it this way so you can see, banana bread batter and throw that in there. And we are going to bake this for 1 hour at 350 degrees. If you have a finicky oven or you feel like it's brown enough at 45-50 minutes, check it, okay? Because it might be. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this in the oven, and we're gonna check it around 45 minutes, but it should take about an hour, and then we're gonna have some delicious banana bread. Try the recipe, it's amazing.